Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2018 the Ford Focus. Stock number is 7048. Let's take you on a virtual video walk around of this very clean, low mileage Focus. Take notice of the exterior condition, very sporty. No dings, no dents, no scratches. This, of course, does have the 2.0 liter 14 DGI motor. It's got the 6-speed automatic transmission. It's got aluminum wheels, as you can see, absolutely impeccable. Looking for a daily commuter, first-time buyer, this is a perfect vehicle. Traveling with friends or family, take notice of the rear. You'll be able to have ample legroom and comfortable. I want to give you a good shot of the interior front. Automatic transmission, power windows, locks, cruise tilt, and a moonroof to boot. Don't forget, this vehicle qualifies for warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. We're going to take a look at the interior front, putting you in the driver's seat. Seats are very, very comfortable. Super duper clean vehicle. For more information on this Focus or any other vehicles in our inventory, give us a call, email us, or text us. Most of all, we look forward to meeting you in person, and hopefully we can earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day.